What's going on, guys? It's Chris here, and I wanted to do a quick review on this Cuisinart 10-inch skillet. I love Cuisinart. They make really good products, and these stainless steel are no exception. Number one, it heats evenly. Whatever technology they have that they put into this is it actually heats all evenly and up the sides, which is super important depending on what you're cooking. If you've ever had cheap stainless steel, it just doesn't do the job, and it always has these weird black splotches, and it just never heats up quite right. Another thing I like, this pan is probably 3 years old. The rivets don't move. They don't get loose. They are incredible craftsmanship. And so when you're having a hot pan full of stuff, you don't have to worry about this wobbling and falling. Super important. The handle doesn't absorb a lot of heat. So even after you're cooking on the stove, you can grab this and it's not going to burn your hand. And the lip, how they have it, it doesn't run, if you're pouring out, it doesn't run straight down. It actually pours correctly. So that's super handy and important. I really like this stuff. It's good to have good kitchen pots and pans because it makes cooking a lot funner. It's easy to clean. Now, I got rid of all my non-stick stuff because I don't like the chemicals. You can make this pretty much non-stick. You heat it up a lot first without putting any oil. You use the water test. You put a little drop of water. When it dances on there, you add the oil. You could put eggs, and it's pretty much non-stick. Super awesome. All right, guys, I really appreciate you watching. I hope this review helped.